On today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make Chop Suey estilo Sinaloa. It is super delicious, very easy to make. It has pork, it has bean sprouts. It's a very, very good dish, and my kids love it. I recently started giving it to them, and they fell in love with it. I'm going to show you guys how to make it, so stay tuned. The ingredients for the chop suey are 2 bags of bean sprouts, 2 pounds of ribs, 1 white onion, 1 chile poblano, 2 garlic cloves, soy sauce, salt and pepper. Okay, we're gonna start off by cutting the meat into smaller pieces. We're gonna put the meat in the pot so that we can start preparing it. We're gonna be adding salt and pepper and water. Water is just enough until all the meat is covered. I set the heat on medium and we're gonna cover it and let it cook for about 40 minutes. Here we're gonna slice the onion. And we're gonna do the same con el chile poblano. Uy, la cebolla me hizo llorar.
No llores, mija.
Nomás acuérdate. The garlic cloves, we're just gonna smash them. Así, just like that. All right, guys, it's already been like 35 minutes and we're gonna check on the meat. As you can see, it's already frying, and that's where we want it at. Okay, now we're gonna add the garlic cloves, chile poblano, and the onion. Okay, so it's already fried for like 5 minutes. This is the last part, guys. We're gonna throw in the bean sprouts, and we're gonna add some soy sauce. And we'll cover it and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Okay, I think it's ready, guys. I let it simmer for about 5 minutes. And I don't like my bean sprouts overcooked. I like them a little, when they're still a little bit hard. Time to try this. Smells so good. Ahora sí lo bueno, pero no puede faltar un poquito de chile. A mí todo me gusta con chile. Cheers. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you enjoy this recipe and you make it, please don't forget to tag me on my social medias. And also, if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like buttons, and I'll see you on the next videos. Bye!